Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be what I got for my birthday. I just turned 29 on Sunday and I picked up two things. One of them that I am crossing off of my wish list. If you guys haven't seen my wish list video, I will link it down below. But yeah, I am super excited about this one item in particular and I am just going to share it with you guys. So I got it from Nordstrom. And it's from Prada. You guys know I've been Prada obsessed, and when I saw these I had to pick them up. So let's see. They're so pretty and they're so practical. These black Prada Slides, they have the triangle Prada logo. They have like a nice little support and the leather is so nice. I got them in true to size, in a size 38. I am usually a size 8 US, so 38 usually works for me. They literally just fit though, so if you are half sizes, I would probably size up. I got them from Nordstrom's. I had a Nordstrom's gift card, so I figured why not? And I think that these are going to be perfect for work, daily, every day, dress up, dress down, just because I feel like they're so sleek. And I am so excited about these shoes. So, I love Prada's packaging, it's so pretty. So, Prada Slides for the win. And then I picked up this. I actually bought this pre-loved and apparently it came from the Real Real because it came with a Real Real dust bag. And you guys, can you guess what it is? It happens to be another Prada item. I just want to fill it up so you can see the true self of it. But it is this little Prada pouch, and if you did watch my video, you'll know that I was interested in picking up the I think it's called the multi accessories by Prada, the crossbody, but I don't know guys, I just, for some reason, I can't bite the bullet on it. I love it. It's trendy, but I also feel like it'll just be a classic. It's like an easy piece to throw on. It's really edgy and cool, and I feel like it is durable, even though it is the nylon, because I would pick it up in the black. But this is like a cute little pouch. It has that Prada logo on it. It's like a pretty raspberry color. I did add this HRH chain. Since I have the HRH chain, why not just use it? If you guys have not seen my video about HRH, I'm going to leave it below. There's two of them. There's one on her lipo leggings, and there's also one on her chains, and just a full review. But this is cute. You can also pull the string without the chain and just kind of hold it on your wrist like this. You can just kind of hold it like this. What's her name? Cassie has, it's called like a lunchbox bag from, I don't know why I want to say it's by Alexander McQueen, I'm not sure, but you just kind of hold it like this and it's super cute. But I just thought that this would be a fun way to introduce Prada to my collection without having to spend that much money on it. This was $75. I got it on eBay, and then she must have gotten it from the Real Real. But I've actually seen these at the outlets for like, I think $200. And I think it's a fun pop of color. Pink is going to be really in this season. So yeah, guys, I thought this was super cute. What do you guys think about it? It does actually fit a lot. I have my my pochette accessory, mini accessory, my key holder, my phone, and it still has like tons and tons of room. So yeah, I thought it was like a cute little bucket, kind of looks like a bucket bag. Yes. So there's actually another item that I picked up from Fashion File, and she's kind of been in hiding a little bit. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you may have seen what I'm talking about, so pause this video and go follow me on Instagram. But my name on there is Trendy Thread, and I will be doing my next video on Fashion File review, my experience with shopping with them, and a reveal. So definitely make sure to keep an eye out for that. And yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.